Hey folks, as we go into the weekend, I've got a bunch of questions about what I'm doing about natural gas. So I'm going to quickly give you a 2-minute update and leave this with you for the weekend. So let's go across to the 4-hour chart on my broker. That's where we are, below the channel. Now we've seen enough channel breakouts recently at the top and at the bottom on things like gold and uranium and all sorts of things, WTI, oil, these channel breakouts which sort of fail. Now we've broken down below the channel. We're at the 100 period moving average on the 4-hour chart. I've just gone long again for the third time. My average price is now 2.63, which is where this green circle is. So I have a long from there, a long from around about 2.63, and a long from 2.54. That's the 4-hour chart. Let's have a look at the daily chart on the same instrument. That's the Henry Hub natural gas price over at the NYMEX. And I've drawn a circle in here. That purple line is the 200 period moving average, and this green one is the 20 period moving average. This is the day chart. It's also a Fibonacci level here on the right-hand side, as you can see. So it's a confidence level. We've pulled back into it. We've closed all the rollover gaps. So it's a good support level. We're oversold on the short-term charts as well. So that's the Henry Hub. Just to remind you of my positions, my average long price now is 2.63. This green circle here. Long from there, long from 2.63, 2.64. And then long from just below 2.55. We are seeing on this 4-hour chart an attempt to bottom. By the way, that's the arrow where we got in. We see a big bullish engulfing candle, and this candle here just trying to hold above the 100 period moving average as well. Last thing I want to look at is the natural gas instrument over at Oanda, and here's the chart. This is interesting. We pulled back to exactly the 38.2% Fibonacci level and the 20-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, this purple line. Remember, this is the ETF over at Oanda. It's not the Henry Hub futures price. It's a combination of various prices, so we get a different chart. So I'm long on this one as well from the current price, as I am long on natural gas futures over at my broker, and that's the Henry Hub price. Have a great weekend, folks. I think this is a good support level. I'd be very surprised if we close beneath 2.5, so as long as we're above there, I'm bullish for a target of about 3.4. If we do close below 2.5 on a daily basis, we'll probably have to move down to 2.3 or 2.2. If that does occur, I'll consider hedging below 2.5, but only on a daily close beneath that level. Take care, have a great weekend. If you've enjoyed this, I'd love your subscription and a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.